New tonight is what's called affordable housing actually affordable. A new study from the Florida Policy Institute finds that most housing meant for Jacksonville's workforce is not actually affordable for a lot of households. On your sides, Renata DeGregorio joins us live. And Renata, I know you spoke with people on multiple sides of this issue.
Heather, the first person that I spoke with was the analyst who did the study. The Florida legislature has allocated millions for affordable housing. So she looked at those prices and compared them to the salaries of people like educators and firefighters. She found if it's more than just you living in a house, you probably can't afford it. Much like a game of chance,
oh no,
you're lucky if you find housing that's affordable. So says Jacksonville mom Regina G.
affordable housing is supposed to be affordable, but it's not affordable.
Affordable housing is what Cicely Hodges with the nonprofit Florida Policy Institute has been studying since the Florida legislature passed the Live Local Act last year. It put $700 million toward affordable housing programs across the state. Hodges found for a Jacksonville teacher, firefighter, law enforcement officer, or EMT with 2 kids, what's considered workforce housing under Florida statute is not affordable.
All of them, as you go, it gets just increasingly more unaffordable. Kind of the more people that one person who's the main breadwinner has to take care of.
I was even doing overtime because I was a daycare director. So it was hard. It was extremely hard.
Ensuring affordable housing is actually affordable is an issue top of mind for Eric Sachs, who just broke ground on his nonprofit's affordable housing subdivision in Clay County.
One went to, as I said, this young couple as a starter home. We also have some county workers. Basically, it is intended for workforce.
Sachs calls his organization a unicorn as a nonprofit developer. But G is optimistic that in Jacksonville, the topic of affordable housing is front and center.
Well, 2024 is not done yet, so.
Good game, you guys, good game.
Yesterday, Jacksonville leaders in affordable housing came together for a panel discussion. They say they really want to keep up the momentum so that the city prioritizes this. Reporting live in downtown Jacksonville, Renata DeGregorio, First Coast News, on your side.